Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I hope you're fine. I am also fine and you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show different unique and beautiful pebble decoration idea. I'm gonna show different pebble art for kids, for animal, for couples and etc. You guys know it's Valentine's Day and you can make different Valentine's gift for your partner, for your girlfriend, yeah, wife, so you can make easily at home for different pebble home decoration ideas. It's very beautiful and romantic ideas. So please do not forget my YouTube channel, like my video, share my video, and Allah Hafiz, take care, bye, see you soon.